So today I'm going to show you how to remove a window AC unit. Also good to note, there's going to be a lot of water coming from the air conditioner, so I just put down an old towel. Plastic tarp's good if you have carpet or something, if you get a lot of water out. Unplug it. This window is actually holding in the air conditioner at the moment, so as long as this window is down, the air conditioner shouldn't go backwards, so you can safely unscrew them. In my case, I'm just removing tape. This is more of a try to get a good seal around it. So if you can see up top here, this is where your insulation would have been. So that's that little piece of foam that they give you. It's supposed to block the air from coming up through here, so that's where you take that out, save it for next year. Now, everything should be able to be moved. Keep this window down until you're ready to take it out. Please remember that on the back side of the air conditioner, you do have thin pieces of metal. They are razor sharp. I do recommend just get a pair of gloves in case you touch back there. If you touch the back of an air conditioner without gloves on, you will cut your hand up pretty bad. They're basically razor blades, so just watch out for those metal fins. So I like to just put a pair of gloves on, and that way I don't have to worry about it. Now, I'm still having this window down. I'm going to hold and support the back of this, so I know I have the support of it. I don't want to let it go. It will go out the back of the window. There is water in the air conditioner, so I'm just going to let it drain backwards just a little bit. Just try to get as much water out as possible. Remember, if there's a walkway or anybody underneath, try to give some warning to people underneath, or just make sure you don't drop it. So, alright, let it drain out a little bit. I'm just going to bring it in. Now, I'm going to put it down on that old towel. So it's easy as that. Just find a place that you can let this sit. I don't see any water coming out of this one. I let it dry out for a couple of days, so it looks pretty good. So we're just going to take this and put it in storage now. Just try to get any water out of there as possible. So when we look at the back of an air conditioner, each one of these metal fins, basically they're razor blades. Please don't touch them with your bare hands. They're extremely sharp. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I hope this helps. Have a great day.